Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at Robinhood's cryptocurrency trading platform, found at robinhood.com/crypto. While Robinhood is known primarily for its stock trading app, it also provides access to a select range of cryptocurrencies. This offers a potentially convenient entry point for those already using Robinhood for traditional investments and want to dip their toes into the digital asset market. It's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. The market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Before investing any money, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the potential for both significant gains and losses. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Robinhood's crypto platform offers a simplified interface, making it relatively easy to buy, sell, and track your crypto holdings. However, this simplicity can also be a limitation. You won't find the advanced charting tools or order types that are available on more specialized cryptocurrency exchanges. When considering using Robinhood for crypto, you might want to compare its features and fees with other platforms. Think about what's important to you in a crypto trading platform. Is it ease of use, a wide selection of coins, or advanced trading features? Robinhood might be a good fit for beginners, but experienced crypto traders might find its functionality somewhat restricted. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your individual needs and investment goals. Make sure you explore all your options and choose the platform that aligns with your specific requirements. So head over to robinhood.com/crypto to see if it's the right fit for you. And don't forget to check out the other resources linked in the description.